If you need to unlink a bank account from your Remitly account, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process is completed correctly. Step 1. Open the Remitly app. Launch the Remitly app on your mobile device or visit the Remitly website on your computer. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or selecting the menu option. Look for the settings or account management section. Step 3. Find linked accounts. In the account settings, locate the section that lists your linked bank accounts. This may be labeled as payment methods or bank accounts. Step 4. Select the bank account. Choose the bank account you wish to unlink. This will typically involve tapping on the account name or an edit option next to it. Step 5. Confirm unlinking. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be successfully unlinked from your Remitly account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Remitly's customer support for assistance.